Presented by Greene and Phillips Injury Lawyers. Here's attorney David Greene and the judge with Judge Knows.
Hit and run accidents can be emotionally overwhelming and often happen more times than you think. Here to talk to us more about it is David Greene from Greene and Phillips Injury Lawyers. Hi, David. Thank you for being here.
Yeah, glad to be here.
All right. Now, hit and run accidents, no one wants to think about them, but they happen a lot more than we like to realize.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, we see these all the time, especially on Airport Boulevard and some of the other busy roadways. We see folks that get hit. They really don't know what to do. But number one, you want to make sure that if you're involved in a hit and run accident, call the authorities, seek medical treatment, and then talk to a lawyer like the lawyers at Greene and Phillips, because that can make a huge difference in any kind of settlement that you may get.
And these happen, you don't have to just be driving. You could be a parked car, a pedestrian, all types of scenarios, right?
There are so many different situations where folks just simply leave the scene of the accident. And so anytime that you're involved in this type of crash, you want to make sure that you stay at the scene yourself. Go ahead and get the authorities out, get a report, go ahead and get your treatment, go ahead and get checked out by a doctor, and then talk to a lawyer like the lawyers at Greene and Phillips.
Now, I imagine Judge probably knows the answer to this, but identifying those drivers in the hit and run cases, how hard can that be and how do you help with that?
You know, it can be very difficult, but one of the things about Mobile, we have a lot of different videos that are out there. There are lots of different cameras out there that we have access to that we can help get video of the scene. Lots of times if this happens, we can actually find the video, put the case together, and get a result for you that's very good.
That is very good, but what happens if you can't? Do I still have options? What can I do?
Yes, you can, absolutely. Basically, get that report. That's important. The authorities are going to go ahead and do their report. They're going to do everything they can, but then there's a portion of your own policy that you can proceed on and make a claim, and that can put money in your pocket that you may not know. You may not even know you have this, but we can help with that.
David, you talked about what people should do the first thing after they've had an accident. What should they avoid doing?
Number one, do not talk to the other driver's insurance company. That can actually kill your case. Under Alabama law, if you talk to the other driver's insurance and they're able to lead you into an answer that could show that you may have been 1% at fault, it kills your case. Do not talk to the other driver's insurance company.
All right, call police first. All right, and if someone wants to get in touch with you, how do they do that?
It's very simple. You can go to greenphillips.com or come by 51 North Florida Street or 3000 Winewood in Birmingham.
All right, thank you so much, David Greene and Judge today.
Judge knows car wrecks and personal injury cases are stressful. That's why he and David Greene of Greene and Phillips Injury Lawyers are answering your questions. Want yours featured? Scan the QR code to submit it for the next Judge Knows on WKRG.